Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard offline. First, ensure your game is fully installed and updated while connected to the internet. Once that's done, you can disconnect and still enjoy several exciting modes. We'll cover the campaign, zombies, and local multiplayer options. It's a great way to keep playing even when your internet connection isn't available, offering hours of fun without needing to be online. The single-player campaign in Call of Duty Vanguard is fully accessible offline. Before you unplug your console or PC from the internet, make sure the entire game, including all campaign packs, is completely downloaded and installed. Once that's confirmed, you can dive into the story mode without any internet connection. All your progress, mission completions, and any achievements earned will save directly to your local storage.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips. And on another note, just like you wouldn't want your game to lag, you don't want your feet to suffer. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
You can absolutely play Zombies mode offline in Call of Duty Vanguard, but there's a small catch. While the core experience of fighting hordes of the undead is available solo, certain features like Battle Pass progression, new content updates, and some challenges do require an online connection. However, if you just want to jump in and survive rounds against the AI, you can do so without an active internet connection after the initial game installation. For those looking for competitive action without the internet, Call of Duty Vanguard offers robust local multiplayer. You can set up custom matches against AI bots, adjusting their difficulty and numbers to your liking. It's also perfect for couch co-op, allowing you to play with friends on the same screen. You'll have access to a variety of maps and classic game modes, making it an excellent way to practice or just have fun offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.